Hello, hi, and welcome back to Echo Travel Adventures. Today we are at a very new place in Kissimmee, Florida.
Super exciting. I love it. If you're new here, we're all about theme parks, travel, and the weird stops in between, kind of like this one. Posting twice a week. Amber, are you ready? I hear them meowing. Let's go.
Yeah, you know, just like people, they have their own personality. You're really gonna get Rizzo. Look it up, definitely. I'm getting so I think that was an idea. I think you remember it is out there. It's very nice.
Well, let's relax, sweet baby. Let's relax.
They all have such great personalities. Oh my gosh. Is it gonna be under the email that you sent it to? No, I carried it on my phone. So I can't see who to take the top later.
Here. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. They don't want for someone. It's okay.
She posted them on Facebook, so I said, I would take that to a little friend there. No, she had two. No. Okay. I don't like cats.
Just petting this one.
Oh, no.
Okay. Come over there. Be nice to each other.
I want the night shift. Somebody's in love these keys for me nighttime.
Right now. Right. No, but I do need to get them.
You're just getting people like
Right.
Oh,
dying, did it?
Oh my God, this place is amazing.
It is so amazing. The atmosphere is great. So the staff here is so sweet, and they're really, really fun to talk to, and they love their cats, and you can totally tell that they do. The drinks are reasonably priced,
Yeah.
and they're really good. The hot chocolate is so good.
It was so rich. The tea was really good too. So the main room, those kitties are actually their own. They're not up for adoption, but they have an adoption. Wow, it's really windy. The adoption room is really quiet, really soft, and they're
Peaceful.
and their little kitties are just.
And there's toys around too, so you can play with all the
Yeah.
cats. But those cats are hers. They're not adoptable. But like Brian said, in the adoption room, there's a few tabbies in there.
Oh my
And
God.
they're so tiny and so cute.
She said no one can adopt. I'm just kidding. She didn't.
I didn't say anything.
It was tempting. It is really tempting. So we're going to link everything down below. Definitely hit them up, guys, because this is like really important. They're officially opening on the 1st of February.
Yes, and please go follow them on social media. And if you come here, please leave a review.
Yes.
You can tell them that we sent you. They were super nice. We don't get anything back. We don't want anything back. We just want to not shout them out, but we want to let people know that this is a place to be.
Yeah.
Especially if you're visiting Florida, it's a cool way to get away from things. It's right on the main road, so it's super easy to find.
So right behind you, as you're watching this video, is downtown, where they had the theme park and all that kind of stuff.
Town.
Fun zone. Old Town. You're right. You're Old Town.
Old Town Kissimmee.
That place. So they are in a really good area. So, you know, you come over here, you go to Fun Spot, and then you come back and you get to play with the kitties, or vice versa.
The parks, or just making like a fun day. Like, this is a really cool place to be. The cats are super friendly. You can pet pretty much all of them.
Right.
They just say don't pick them up. But when you come in, please wash your hands. Don't pick up the cats.
Yeah.
Just, you know, respectful things.
I tell you what, though, I'm so excited for them. I really am.
I am. You can tell they're excited, and we just hope and we pray for you guys that you are gonna be so successful. Like, we want to see that happen for them.
But if you guys made it this far, thank you so much. Please don't forget to follow them. Maine Coon Cafe Manor, the Bougie Cat Cafe. I love that.
And of course, Equus is high from heaven too.
Yes. Oh, it's so fitting. Oh, they loved our tattoos too. It was so cool.
Yeah, we did get compliments on them.
But with that, guys, we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.